They start getting back and doing more of that. Didi drives that one to right. Puig on the run. It's over the glove and rolls to the wall. Prado comes in and score, and Didi Gregorius stops at second with his 16th double. The Diamondbacks are on the board. It's 5-1.
Didi's domination of Ricky Nolasco continues now, 7 for 11 in his career. Once again, trying to go down and in. Nolasco leaves the pitch up and out over the plate, starting to make more and more mistakes here as we get deeper into this ball game. Lines that one just over the glove of Yasiel Puig out there.